Hello everybody, Mr. Heave here, and today we're going to do a number guessing game. This is something that I did when I first started programming and I thought it was pretty fun, and it's something that I hope you think is very fun too. What we're going to do is we're going to have the computer pick a number, and then we get to guess what that number is, and the computer tells us whether it's too high or too low until we get the right answer. So the first thing we want to do is import random. When we do that, now we can pick a random number. Let's start with something small, something easy. Let's pick a number. Number equals random dot randint. Now what this does is it lets us pick a random integer between two numbers. Let's have a number between 1 and 10. So I type in 1 comma 10. So this is always going to pick a number between 1 and 10. So if I just did like print number and I ran this, you will see that it picks a 6. Now it'll pick a different number 2, and we could run this a whole bunch of times. It'll just keep generating a new number. Great. So we know the computer's picking a number. Now we want to guess what that number is. So what we would do is we would do an input. Let's save it as a guess. Let's save it as a named guess. So guess equals input, and say what number do you want to pick? All right. So you're going to pick a number, and if that answer equals the number, we're going to print you got it, or I should use better English. You are correct. All right. So let's run this. And so I'm going to run it. What number do you want to pick? If I said 4, nothing happens. It doesn't tell me if I'm wrong. It just, all we have in here is if we guess it correct, it'll say you're correct. And I don't want to go through this because it would probably take forever. I have a 10% chance of getting it. So that's not very good. So let's do something if we don't get it perfectly. So we'll say elif guess if our guess is more than the number. So if we guessed higher than the number that's there, we want to print your guess is too high. Also, I was going to say elif, but we could just say else. That's easier. So, because that'll cover every other situation. I'll say your guess is too low. All right. So now, when we run this, I'm going to run this and say 8. Oh, it has a problem. You can't do greater than or less than when you're just dealing with a string. So what we have to do is we have to come in here and say guess equals int guess. What that does is it turns our string into an integer and saves it back as the word guess, assuming I spelt it right. All right, now I think it's good. Let's run it now. Which number do we want to pick? 8. That guess was too high. Now if we run it again, now it picks a new random number, so we don't know what we're doing. Now it's too low, but we don't know that's a new random number. So what we want to do is, once we pick a random number, say while true. We want to keep asking this question as many times as we can until we get the answer right. And so this will keep on looping. But if we have it correct, we don't want to keep asking. So we will say break. So it'll keep asking until we get it. So now if we run this, slowly but surely, let's guess 5. Our guess was too high. Let's say 3. Our guess is too high. 2. That is correct. And our game is over.